Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today's video is going to be filled with Coquette inspired hairstyles. This is a hair trend where you pretty much mix in a variety of different bows. You can do different colors. I've seen girls doing like the black like you see here. We got the baby pink, yellow. You can do lace. There's just a lot of ways to have fun with this style. And of course, we can all thank TikTok for this particular hair trend. So here we have someone doing a half up, half down bow style. Very pretty. Look at that ribbon. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is the dark Coquette inspired hairstyle. I love her hair color, so pretty. So like I said, you could do the black ribbon. And any of these hairstyles you could also wear to prom. I am going to put together a full prom video, so stay tuned for that. But I like how she did her makeup too, so pretty. Next up, we have another really cute half up, half down style with the yellow ribbon. Double ponytail once again with the two bows. And then she did braids that end with bows as well. I like her makeup that she did for that look. So here we have someone, she has this really pretty hair color, loving the money piece highlight and the pops of color. Double ponytails yet again with a double ribbon. And then we have a red inspired Coquette style. So let me know what you guys think of this trend. Personally, I wasn't really much of a fan at first when I first started seeing it like take off, maybe like a year or so ago. But I think it's kind of cute. It has definitely grown on me, and we're also seeing this trend in the form of fashion as well. We got the Coquette style t-shirts, sweatshirts, and it just seems to be like a really popular thing at the moment. So it looks like she's doing a double ponytail style here for this one. She's got the bubble going down the center, the bubble ponytail going down the center, and then finishes off with the red Coquette bow. Ooh, I like the high ponytail with the bow. This is super cute. Oh, she did like a hair install here. So she did like a hair clip-in. Oh, this is too cute. And then we have someone with a bob. So if you want to rock out this trend and you have short hair, you can do that as well. do that 90s flip under curl. And I do have a whole video featuring 90s inspired styles because that is another huge trend that we're seeing right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for that one. Now the style by itself is super cute, very 90s inspired. And then of course she's gonna elevate it with the little bows, and these are clips that you can just pretty much put in. Super cute. And the clip and bows, like I said before, is a nice alternative if you don't know how to tie a bow perfectly, which I feel like this trend requires you to do. So if you want to rock it out and you don't know how to tie a bow, definitely get the clip-in ones. So here we have someone, she has this beautiful long tailbone length hair. She curls some bangs in the front and then puts in the bows with a double ponytail. I feel like this is the most popular way to wear the trend. Well, at least according to this video. The double ponytails, half up, half down style is definitely popular. So here we have another half up, half down variation, and this one features one ponytail. Super cute style, and you can wear these looks, you know, every day, or just wear them for a special occasion. Like, it's really up to you. So she does an old school ribbon here for this one. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at that very trendy coquette trend. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.